See that sand patch? They're gonna be right on the edge of that sand patch. I'm gonna try to get us closer. I would just open your bail and let it drift because the snook will come out from the island a ways. Sometimes it's honestly easier to spot a snook to cast at than casting blind. Sometimes you can actually get one to eat that you see. I see one. He's on the back. There's one sitting on the back side of that sand patch I can see. Ooh, big one right there.
In the, right here. Right there in this.
Good job.
Oh, he's way in the mangroves.
Get him out of
I
there.
can't.
Alright, be easy on him. Are we gonna have to go chase him?
Well,
Try to baby him out.
I am. He's starting to come.
Alright, he's out. Good job, dude. Get him out of there. Be easy, but get him out. Be easy, but get him out. Well, Richard got the luckiest snook ever.
He's a big one.
He is. He's making...
But I think that's a keeper size. It's not overslot like the ones yesterday. You're lucky it wasn't a... Oh, it is a big snook.
Yep.
That's a slot size snook.
What's the slot?
28.
To what?
33.
Oh, that has to be 28?
Yeah. It's a good sized fish, but he's not a monster. Oh, he might hit 28. You got a good ruler?
Yeah.
Just that one?
Yeah, just that one.
Is that not a good ruler? Watch this. So when you can see him, I see a snook laying right there. There we go. I'm gonna get him to eat that pinfish. Got him! Oh! Did you see that?
Yeah.
Oh, he came out for it. Look, he's right there.
Here he's coming.
Yeah. Are you kidding me? He took it off the hook.